Having a pet is a wonderful experience. Pets give us love, joy, and friendship. Among all pets, I love dogs the most. Today, I am going to talk about my pet dog. I have a pet dog. His name is Tommy. He is very cute. He is brown in color. His eyes are shiny. He has soft fur. He is a small dog. I got him 1 year ago. My father brought him home. I was very happy that day. Tommy became my best friend. He lives in our house. He has a small bed. He sleeps in a corner of my room. He likes soft cushions. I feed him twice a day. He eats bread and milk. Sometimes he eats rice. He also likes meat. He drinks clean water. He loves biscuits. He never wastes food. He always finishes his meal. He is a clean dog. I bathe him every Sunday. He enjoys taking a bath. I use dog shampoo for him. After bathing, I dry his fur. He looks fresh and pretty. He likes being brushed. I take care of him every day. He is like a family member. Everyone in my family loves him. My mother gives him milk in the morning. My father takes him out for a walk. My sister plays with him in the garden. He follows us around the house. He listens carefully to our voices. He understands our emotions. He always wags his tail in joy. He licks my hands to show love. He barks when strangers come. He protects our home. He is a brave dog. Guards our door at night. His hearing is sharp. He can smell anything quickly. He easily knows if someone is near. He barks loudly if he sees unknown persons. He is very alert. He loves to play fetch. I throw a ball for him. He runs and brings it back. He jumps with excitement. He runs very fast. He looks funny when he chases butterflies. He enjoys playing outside. He also loves to walk in the park. I take him there every evening. He meets other dogs there. He plays with them happily. Children also play with him. Everyone likes his friendly nature. He never fights with other animals. He is gentle and kind. He loves company. He hates being alone. When we go out, he waits for us. He sits near the door and looks sad. The moment we return, he runs to us. He jumps with happiness. He greets us with love. He brings his toys and shows them. He has many toys. He loves stuffed animals. He plays with a red ball. He likes squeaky toys too. He keeps them near his bed. He takes care of his things. He is very smart. He understands names of toys. He knows commands like sit and come. He responds quickly. I trained him gently. He learns very fast. When I say stay, he stops. When I say eat, he eats. He is an obedient dog. He loves to be praised. I often pat his head. He feels proud when I say, "Good boy." He looks at me happily. His eyes shine with joy. His tail never stops wagging. He is full of energy. He never gets bored. He runs around the house. He loves to jump on the sofa. He sits beside me when I study. He listens quietly. He doesn't disturb me. He likes to watch me write. Sometimes he sleeps near my feet. I feel peaceful when he is near. He makes me feel relaxed. I never feel lonely with him. He is my best companion. He teaches me to be patient. He shows unconditional love. He never gets angry. Even when I'm sad, he stays by my side. He gives me comfort. He is always loyal. He listens without judging. He reminds me to smile. He loves playing in the rain. He jumps in puddles. He shakes his fur afterward. He looks very funny then. We laugh a lot at his silly actions. He likes to travel in the car. He enjoys looking out the window. He never barks during rides. He sits quietly. He behaves nicely with guests. He never bites anyone. Children in our neighborhood adore him. They call him Tommy the Good Boy. They run behind him happily. He loves attention. He feels special with affection. My grandparents also like him. He sits with them when they rest. He keeps them company. He listens to their stories. He makes everyone happy. He brings joy into our home. His presence is calming. Our house feels lively with him. He barks to wake us in the morning. He is like our little alarm clock. He reminds me to go for exercise. He helps me stay active. I run with him daily. We both stay fit and healthy. He eats healthy food too. I never feed him junk food. He likes fruits like apples. Sometimes he eats boiled eggs. I keep his bowl clean. I make sure he stays hygienic. He never gets sick often. He visits the vet for checkups. He gets his vaccines on time. The doctor says he is very healthy. He has shiny teeth. I brush them gently sometimes. He plays after brushing happily. He loves being petted. He rolls over for belly rubs. That's his favorite thing. He closes his eyes while relaxing. He me completely. That trust makes our bond strong. I treat him with love. He gives me loyalty in return. He is the best part of my life. I can't imagine life without him. He makes me laugh every day. He teaches me kindness and care. He shows that small acts bring happiness. Watching him play makes me smile. He reminds me to enjoy little things. Animals like him deserve love. But we must take care of pets. They depend on us for food. They depend on us for love. They cannot speak, but they feel deeply. A pet's love is pure. Tommy's love is unconditional. He never complains. He forgives quickly. He is always cheerful. He never stays angry. His simple nature amazes me. He is active from morning to night. In the evening, he loves sunsets. He sits quietly and stares at the sky. He enjoys fresh air. He likes seeing birds fly. Sometimes he barks at them. He also chases butterflies in the garden. He enjoys nature. Dogs like him make the world happier. They spread love wherever they go. Tommy is like my younger brother. He listens when I talk to him. He tilts his head as if he understands. Sometimes he makes soft sounds in reply. He is truly my best friend. I share my feelings with him. He comforts me in silence. He lies beside me when I feel low. He never leaves me alone. We share a strong bond. He is not just a pet, he is family. Everyone loves him without limits. He loves us equally. He is gentle, loyal, and caring. His loyalty makes him special. He always respects everyone. He never damages anything. He is very disciplined. He waits for his turn during meals. He doesn't beg for food. He eats only when I give him permission. He behaves inside the house. He doesn't jump on tables. He never tears shoes. He is a well-trained dog. I taught him good habits. He learned them quickly. Friends like him too. They visit only to play with him. Tommy becomes very happy to see them. He runs around in joy. He brings his ball for games. He enjoys every minute. He spreads happiness around. He makes people smile. He makes life brighter. He teaches me to stay calm. He never worries about the future. He lives in the moment. That's why dogs are amazing. They love humans deeply. Tommy has taught me love, care, and patience. He gives without expecting anything.